Uganda will host the second G25 Heads of State Coffee African Summit, scheduled for 7th August to the 10th of August 2023 at the Speaker Resort Munyonyo. His Excellency the President has already sent out invitations to his colleagues, and a number of confirmations are coming in. We expect maybe to get more by close of the week. The theme of the summit of the 25 African coffee producing countries is transforming the African coffee sector through value addition. This is in line with the theme of 2023 African Union Agenda that focuses on accelerating the implementation of the African Continental Trade Area, FCFTA, and also aligns well with the President's repeated call on reducing trade in raw materials and increasing value addition to our produce for more jobs and value. The 25 coffee growing nations in Africa are Angola, Benin, Burundi, Cameroon, Congo, Central African Republic, DRC, Cote d'Ivoire, Ethiopia, Gabon, Ghana, Guinea, Equatorial Guinea, Kenya, Liberia, Madagascar, Malawi, Nigeria, Rwanda, Sierra Leone, Tanzania, Togo, Uganda, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. That is the composition of the G25, the summit of which we'll be having here. I take this opportunity to welcome all the delegates from all of these countries who are on their way to Uganda. The goal of the G25 African Coffee Summit is to address the challenges faced by the African coffee producing countries, promote value addition and domestic consumption in conjunction with educating people on coffee and its benefits and its real value if we added value to it and stopped trading just raw materials. The specific objectives of the summit are to discuss and harmonize the importance of coffee value addition in the socioeconomic transformation of African economies. It is to marshal consensus of African coffee-producing countries, leaders, towards giving prominence to coffee as a strategic commodity under the African Union Agriculture Agenda 2063. It is also to create opportunities and synergies to expand regional coffee trade under the framework of the African Continental Free Trade Area. It is also to share knowledge among member countries of the Coffee Producing League of Africa. It is to share knowledge about the imminent danger that climate change poses on coffee and the need for continuous investment in research, innovation, and development so as to build resilient coffee varieties.